How to reduce video size on Windows and macOS. Download and install Handbrake. Download link in video description. Open Handbrake. Open the video file you want to reduce the size of. Choose a file name for the output video. Set where you want to save the output file to. Ensure MP4 is selected next to Format. Click the Dimensions tab. Type a smaller number into the height and width field. Click the Video tab. Click and drag the constant quality slider to the left. Use the drop-down menu next to Frame Rate to select the frame rate. Click the Preview button. Check the Live Preview box. Click the Start Encoding or Start button. This will start encoding a new video file with the specifications you set. Thanks for watching.